everybody, it's Franco, and I think this is the final video as far as the updates for the WorkBee router. I believe I'm done. I think we're finished with the router. So let me just show you a few things. First thing I did, if you look at the table, I used this long 1/4 inch, it's actually a 1/4 inch end mill. I used this long 1/4 inch end mill to machine a pattern of holes in the table. And what I'm going to do is use these inserts. These are actually furniture inserts. So they're metric. They have an M6 thread on the inside, but if you can like zoom in, you can see I put the hole all the way through the table. I guess technically I could fasten these up from the bottom of the table, but then I'd have to have really long screws. But you know what you do is you take these and you run them on in. I think I have the wrong size Allen wrench. Hang on a second. There we go. You put those down in the hole, then you have nice strong threads that you can use to fasten your hold down clamps and whatnot. So these are all 1/2 inch countersunk holes, so if I want to make jigs or something, I can use 1/2 inch dowels to align things. So I'm pretty stoked about that. I have a nice system now to fasten things down. These little furniture inserts came from Amazon. I don't have the exact part number, but that's the label. And I think they were around $10 or $11 for 30. So I have more than enough now, so I can fill all these holes with these inserts. And this is going to make life really sweet here as far as putting things on the table. Now I have a way to hold them down. I might use this something like this as a little spacer underneath. You know, lay the workpiece on top of it, clamp it down with some kind of toe clamp that I'm going to come up with, and we're good to go. So that part of the problem is solved. Let's see what else. And I might even have a little video footage of me cutting these holes. So maybe I'll tag that into the end of this video. What else is new? I have the whole hose situation here under control. So I rigged this cantilever type of 2x4 thing up. So if you just kind of walk back here, you can see this is nothing fancy. I just fastened the 2x4 cantilevered a horizontal piece up on the top. And that seems to be pretty sufficient as far as getting the hose and the power line for the router out of the way. And you can see, you know, that has plenty of slack. It can go anywhere the router needs to go. The line can go. So very simple, cheap. Didn't really take too much in the way of effort to make that happen. And yeah, so now I'm good. I can move this thing all over the place. And the lines are out of the way and under control. Yes, that's about it. The router is basically done, at least for now. I may work a little bit with some different homing techniques that the ClearPath servos provide. So these servos have a functionality where you can do super precision homing to the like the 0 marker inside of the encoder. So I may work on that later, but for now I'll just continue to home to the switches. The Acorn, the Centroid Acorn stuff is working great. I really like their product. I like their board. I like their software. I like their instructions. That's a big part of it. That's working really well. And like I said, the ClearPath servers are doing their job. Very happy with them. Yeah, and so thanks to all of you that offered me suggestions while I was building this thing. That was really helpful. And especially Bazaru, he gave me a lot of good suggestions. Actually, this idea with the threaded inserts was his idea. I wasn't quite sure how I was going to do this, and he mentioned this to me. That was a great idea, so thank you for your help with that. As far as new videos on the router, I'll definitely be making them. I probably want to make a few videos talking more specifically about these ClearPath servos and things that you can do with those. But I've been promising you guys different videos as I've been making this. Some of you have asked about a parts list. I'll work on that. I'll probably make a video that's maybe a little more specific about the wiring inside the cabinet. But if there's something something you'd like me to talk about, or some kind of information you'd like me to get prepared, please let me know. I am more than happy to take your ideas for making new videos. So thanks for watching, really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed watching me struggle my way through getting this router together. And if you're building one of your own, I hope this will help you. All right, thanks for watching. So long.